Hey there, Regina Anley here, and it's time for the AI Spotlight. Now, this week we are talking about AI productivity, and on the Tips and Tricks Tuesday, I talked about an app called Scribe. The website is scribehow.com. I'm actually going to do a little demo today so you can see the power of Scribe. While I'm bringing this up, I'll keep talking here. What Scribe can do for you is Scribe can actually record everything that you're doing on a screen so that you can share it then with others. So say you have a new VA that you want to hire in your business and you need to show them how to do what it is that you want them to do. You can use this app and it will actually create the document that you just give to them that gives them the step-by-step on how to do stuff. Now, before I get into it, let me just show you over here. The basic is free. I'm actually using the basic plan right now. You can create and share up to 10 different guides with that one. And it says, works with any web app, quick customization, share the link, embed it anywhere. So it basically just gives you 10. That's the limit on the free. And you can always take some out and put some in if you're not using them anymore too. So little tip there. The Pro team, I just want to let you know that has a minimum of 5 users. So while it says, oh, $15 a month sounds really cheap. Yeah, you can't get just one user. You have to get 5 users. So it's $75 per month if you do the monthly. Same thing with Personal Pro. It's $29 a month if you do it monthly. However, up here, if you do annual billing, the $23 for the Pro Professional or the Pro Personal, it's actually a really, really good deal for this app. Just use the free one to decide if it's right for you first. So here's what we've got going on here. So what I did was I opened up a ChatGPT screen over here. Now I'm going to go over to Scribe and I'm going to say create new. And I'm going to say browser, desktop and mobile. So you need the Pro for that. But for the browser, I can do this capture. And I'm going to, if there's open tabs, it's going to show me what's open here. And I'm going to go down to my ChatGPT and it's recording. So it's now capturing my browser. Okay. So I can go in here and say, please create 5 social media posts with the theme of AI productivity to be shared in a Facebook group. The tone is casual, friendly. Let me fix my tone. See, it's going up here and creating my stuff. And casual friendly, and the reading level is 5th grade. Now, if this is something that you do on a regular basis, say that you create this stuff on a regular basis and you want to offload it to a VA, this is really super simple here, but you can put any of your standing operating procedures in here. And then I'm going to click this because that's what you do next. Now, as you can see over here, Scribe isn't giving you what it put there. It's just giving the posts. It's doing its thing. I'm going to say complete the capture. So it's now completing the capture. And what that's done is now created this document, which says, here's the page. It got my spelling correction in here. So navigate to the page. So it automatically says navigate over to the page and then type and what I wanted to type in. And of course I had to fix the type so it actually recorded all that. But however, I can go in and say, please create tone. There you go. And it picked out this one here. So I can say, get rid of that. Because it literally is picking up everything that I did. So because I did the correction there, so the tone is casual friendly. It did pick up both of them, so I'm deleting that step. And I'm deleting that step. It will go in and record every single keystroke that you do, okay? So, and that's a good thing. So if you have something you do on a regular basis, just remember, like I just did, you know, I spelt tone wrong. So it went in, but it captured everything that I did, but you can go right in and edit it. So here's this, go here, type, please create that, and type 5th grade level, and then hit this icon. It tells you what to do. Now, if I want a step, I can say, hey, put a step in here. And the step is review the posts and edit as needed. And then another step, schedule all posts in the group. And there you go. So now I can say I'm done editing. So now I've got, if I'm going to turn this over to a VA, and again, this is like really super simple. I mean, if you have complicated steps, it will record all of them, but then you only go through them once. You can create all of your standard operating procedures and then edit them and have them right here. It gives you the screenshots and everything. So go here, put the prompt in, put the rest of the prompt in, click the icon down here. And then once it gives you the output, review the post as needed, schedule all the posts in the group. So that's it. And then I can share this. I can download it. I can share it. I can export it. I can embed it. I can do all kinds of things with it. I can put it into a PDF. So if I put it into a PDF, I can just share it with a VA. It doesn't matter where they are in the world. And then they can take over. So say you have a blog or something that you're writing every week, and you want a VA to take over that, or an email. Maybe you send out emails every week, but you want to be particular about how you're sending it out. But again, it's not your core genius. And so you want to offload that to somebody else to do it, but you really want it done in your specific way. That is perfect for Scribe, because Scribe can record you doing it. So you just go and do it, have Scribe turned on, let it capture it. And now you literally have screen by screen, word by word, step by step, everything that you need to help you offset that and not get all frustrated when the VA comes back and doesn't give you what you wanted, right? So if you ever had that issue before where you hired somebody to come in and you told them, you said, okay, here's what I'm looking for. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to put this in here and do this. Make sure you do that. I'm telling you right now, I have never met a VA who's gotten that down right. I've never gotten that down right when somebody gave me verbal instructions for the first time. There's always something that gets missed. When you use Scribe, it's really super cool because it records everything step by step by step. If they didn't do it right, you can certainly just go back and say, did you read the instructions? I need you to go back and read the instructions and make sure you do every step. So it's really easy to train new people coming in so that they do it exactly the way that you want it. So you don't have to keep micromanaging all the time because they know exactly what they're supposed to do. All of your standard operating procedures can be done on Scribe so that you have them all documented. So no matter what happens, even if something happens, say something happens to you and you can't get to something, you can just say, hey, go grab that operating procedure out of the folder and just follow those steps and just do that task for me today and have somebody else do it. So it's really, really cool, a cool way to make sure that things are being done the way you want them done. So check it out. Like I said, The free version, you can do 10, do 10 scribes. So you have all kinds of room to play, and then go in and see if it works for you. It's $23 a month if you decide, oh yeah, I'm going to put my entire business's standard operating procedures in Scribe and let Scribe go and create all of these documents so that I now have my little binder, my collection, my folder of information. So no matter who I want to delegate to, they have the exact instructions that they need, and nobody's frustrated, nobody's confused, nobody's going back and forth going, nope, that's not quite right, I want it like this, no, I want it like that, no, I want it like this. Step by step by step, they know exactly what to do. It makes you more productive, it makes them more productive, and it does save a boatload of time. So that's what I wanted to talk to you about. I wanted to actually show you how Scribe works. Remember, it's scribehow.com. Check it out, play with it, and let me know what you think. We'll see you next time on AI Spotlight.